Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete the YouTube search history in your mobile phone. So yeah guys, let's get started today's video. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube in your mobile, and then you can see this is the YouTube suggestion where YouTube gives the suggestion videos, and here you can tap on the top right corner the search bar, and now you can see there is a different searches history in my YouTube, which I recently searched on my YouTube search history. So I want to delete all of them, and so you need to tap on it and hold and slide left side, and you can see it will visible the delete option. Simply you're gonna tap on delete and it will remove your from your YouTube history like this. So this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you, please do a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.